Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into how to use Kahoot AccessPass content. The Kahoot AccessPass is a content subscription that provides you with ready-to-use premium content from Kahoot and our partners. However, it's important to note that courses from the Kahoot Marketplace are not included in the AccessPass subscription. Marketplace courses are available for separate individual purchase. To locate this premium ready-made content, simply click on the AccessPass tab, located on the left side panel. The AccessPass subscription can either be purchased separately or as part of a feature subscription. Some feature subscriptions already include AccessPass. If you haven't yet subscribed to the AccessPass, you can do so at any time by clicking the Subscribe Now button. There are both monthly and annual subscription options available. Once your AccessPass subscription is activated, the courses will be marked as available. You can use the search box on the main page to find content within the Kahoot AccessPass. The content is displayed under various categories like topics and partner content. Currently, the Kahoot AccessPass provides ready-to-use premium content in English, Spanish, French, German, and Dutch. You can change the language setting in the top right corner of the screen. It's also worth mentioning that AccessPass content is bundled into courses. Each course is made up of several different Kahoots. Click Start to host, assign, or self-study a course. If you wish to play a single Kahoot, just click Start Kahoot. Here, you have the choice to host it live, assign it, or practice on your own. If you click on the Kahoot title, you'll be directed to its details page. And that's everything you need to know about the Kahoot AccessPass. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!